So you may have seen my first couple of videos on trash mountain, and in those, of course, I used a push mower to mow the trash. Paper and cardboard trash, that is, of course. If you haven't seen those first couple of videos, go ahead and check out the links in my descriptions and see what I did in the setup and some more detail about this. Now, in this video, I'm going to try something a bit crazier. So, push mower, that does so-so. But wait till you see what I'm going to try this time. So here it is, a Hustler 48-inch cut, 0-turn riding mower. Also, it's equipped with a sweeper, Ohio steel, 22 cubic feet. So let's see how that does. doing all that trash mowing. So now all I got to do this morning is some small scale raking where the big sweeper and mower couldn't reach. So that's it, and then some cover up for the regular leaves to keep it from looking too trashy after I'm all done. So I also like to water the trash down before I cover it up with the leaves to make my trash mountain just look like a big pile of leaves, right? Nobody wants to have a big pile of trash sitting around in the yard. Watered down, all that I need to do is cover it up with some leaves to make it look like a giant pile of leaves. Alright, I'm all done. So, as I like to say, Trash Mountain, disguised as a pile of leaves.